Now, let's say you are traveling, you want to go to Dubai, to Jordan, Lebanon, wherever you want to go, and you want to learn some important words, everyday stuff, so you can, talk to people, especially if they don't understand English. So, some important words, I'm going to go over some. If you have more, please let me know. Just send me a message, underneath my videos, my podcast. Just leave me a message and ask me. So, some of the words, please, which means لو سمحت. لو سمحت. So لو سمحت is going to be for a male. If you're talking to a female, it's going to be لو سمحتي. So it's the same word, you're just adding E to the end. So لو سمحت, لو سمحتي. So that means please. Now the word hi, obviously. Hi means marhaba. Some people say salam because it's easy and a lot of people know it, but we also use marhaba. And the response is ahlan. Ahlan. Now, if you want to say goodbye and you don't want to say bye, we say bye all the time, but if you don't want to say goodbye or bye, you can just say ma el salame. Ma el salame. Ma el salame. Now if you meet someone for the first time and you want to say like nice to meet you, so you would say اتشرفنا. 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 So all the words I said so far, you don't need to change them, to change the form or anything. They're all the same all the time, except please, لو سمحت and لو سمحتي. Now the next one is please, I want, and then you say whatever you want. So please, لو سمحت, and I want بدي. بدي. So بدي, if you notice, we are adding possessive suffix, which is I want, بدي. So if you wanna, you need to know the possessive suffixes if you wanna use it for someone else. So بدك, you want, male. بدك, you want, female. بدكم, you want, plural. بده, he wants. But you don't need to worry about this. If you want just to learn something really quick, بدي is I want, and it doesn't change if you're talking about yourself. So لو سمحت بدي, and you say whatever you want. لو سمحت بدي, or بدي, just بدي if you don't want to use لو سمحت, depends on the situation. So بدي, it means also I want again. And you can say whatever you want. بدي مي. مي means water. مي. بدي مي. بدي قهوة, coffee. قهوة. بدي قهوة. بدي مساعدة. مساعدة. مساعدة means I want help. So let's say you need help. So you can say بدي مساعدة. بدي مساعدة. Now, I traveled to France once, and I was in a small village, and people there, they really did not know how to speak English at all. So I ordered coffee and I wanted to ask for sugar, and they didn't even know what the word sugar means. That's not in Paris. That was like in a small, very, very small town in like really far from Paris. So they didn't even know the word sugar. And I was like, what am I gonna do now? Like I need sugar. So let's say this happens. I don't think that would ever happen in the major countries in the Middle East, but let's say it happened. So my is water, قهوة is coffee, سكر is sugar. My, water, coffee, قهوة, سكر, sugar. سكر, sugar. Now, if you want to say something like where is, and whatever you're looking for, where is when? When. So you can say, for example, when the مطعم. Restaurant. Where's the restaurant? When المطعم. When, where, the مطعم, the restaurant. وين المall, you can just say وين المall, where's the mall. When Safeway, they have Safeway there, so you can say when Safeway, you know, whatever you're looking for. When a taxi, where's a taxi, you know. um Another word you can also learn is good morning, sabah al khair. Good morning, sabah al khair. And we can make it easy. You can just respond the same thing. You say Sabah al Khair. But if you want to respond with the appropriate response, you can say Sabah el Noor. So Sabah al Khair, and the response is Sabah el Noor. And last word we can learn is mnih, which means good. If the word mnih is hard to say, you start with the M and then N as in Nancy. So M as in Mary, and then N as in Nancy, and then ih. So mnih. If this is hard, you can just say the word كويس. So this means good. So mnih or كويس. And last one is كيفك or كيفك if you're asking how are you, and you need to know the possessive suffixes for this one. For you male, كيفك. For you female, كيفك. And the response, the quick response is going to be منيح or منيحة if you are a female, or كويس male, كويسة female. So we're adding a or a to the female form. So كيفك منيح, كيفك منيحة. So I hope these help if you're traveling, you know, and you want to just survive. So I hope these words help. If you need more, let me know. All my info is underneath the podcast, and make sure you check my workbooks. They're very, very helpful. And if you need a tutor, my email address is in the description. Thank you. Thanks for listening.